Okay, here we go. Starting out with the problems. But first of all, I must say that this is the final video on roof gutter screen installation with a few tips for do-it-yourself installers. That's one big problem there, that pecan tree. And I'll cruise around here and show you the another problem. There's another tree hanging there. And the third and final tree is that black walnut tree in the front yard. Now, what I have done is installed screens over the roof gutters around the entire perimeter of the house in excess of 200 square feet. All of the screens are not visible, but take my word for it, they are there. Now, few tips for the installers. I encountered two separate screens. The white one at the bottom, I used 95% of the roofing, but the black one, I used on 5% or less of the gutters. Problem for do-it-yourselfers is that you will find that the lips on the gutters are not entirely uniform. So to compensate for that fact, I had to take my pliers and open up the mouth of the gutters in order for them to fit the lips of the, I had to open up the mouth of the screen so that they could fit the lips of the gutter. And I'm getting down off this ladder. This job is done, Melissa. And as I get down, I will tell you that I had a salesperson to come to my home from the roof leaf company, and they quoted me a price of $7,000 to install screens on my gutters. And being a cost-conscious, do-it-yourselfer type person, I decided to cut that cost and do my own work. But the point is, I have increased the value of my home to the tune of $7,000. And I think that my mortgage holder should compensate me for this. One other point for do-it-yourselfers, these screens here are not designed to shield your gutters from pine leaves. Pine leaves will go through this. But I have no pine trees here, and this is a perfect match for me. End of video. I'll get in touch with you later, Melissa. Goodbye.